GCSE, Year 10. Chemistry Paper 1.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to GCSE Chemistry. In this lesson, we're learning how to read an element from the periodic table and how electrons are arranged. When you look at an element's box, you see two numbers. So first question, what does the atomic number tell you? The atomic number tells you the number of protons in an atom. So if an element has an atomic number of 6, how many protons does it have? It has 6 protons. Now let's look at the bigger number. What does the mass number tell you? The mass number tells you the number of protons plus neutrons. For a neutral atom, the atomic number tells you something else as well. What else does it tell you? It tells you the number of electrons because neutral atoms have the same number of protons and electrons. Let's try an example. Carbon has an atomic number of 6 and a mass number of 12. So how many neutrons does carbon have? We use this rule. Neutrons equals mass number minus atomic number. So 12 minus 6 gives 6 neutrons. Now let's practice with fluorine. Fluorine has atomic number 9 and mass number 19. How many protons does it have? The answer is 9. How many electrons does a neutral fluorine atom have? The answer is 9 electrons. And how many neutrons does it have? 19 minus 9 gives 10 neutrons. Let's check potassium. Potassium has atomic number 19 and mass number 39. So how many protons are there? 19. How many neutrons? The answer is 20. And how many electrons in a neutral atom? The answer is 19 electrons. Now let's move on to electron shells. What is the maximum number of electrons in the first shell? It can hold 2 electrons. And how many can the second shell hold? It can hold 8 electrons. So how do electrons fill the shells? They always fill the closest shell to the nucleus first. Next, if an atom has 3 electrons, how are they arranged? There are 2 in the first shell and 1 in the second shell. What about an atom with 12 electrons? A possible shell arrangement is 2, 8, 2. Now let's look at boron. Boron has atomic number 5, so it has 5 electrons. What is its shell arrangement? The answer is 2, 3. So how many electrons are in its outer shell? 3 electrons. Next, fluorine has 9 electrons. So what is its shell arrangement? The answer is 2, 7. Next, the potassium has 19 electrons. So its shell arrangement is 2, 8, 8, 1. Now let's connect this to the periodic table. What does the period number tell you? It tells you the number of electron shells in use. So lithium is in period 2. How many electron shells does it have? The answer is 2 shells. What about the group number for most main groups? The group number tells you the number of electrons in the outer shell. So if an element is in group 2, how many outer shell electrons does it have? It has 2 electrons. Boron is in group 3. So how many outer shell electrons does it have? It has 3 electrons. Let's finish with sodium. Sodium has atomic number 11. So how many protons and electrons does a neutral sodium atom have? It has 11 protons and 11 electrons. Its shell arrangement is 2, 8, 1. So which group is sodium in? The answer is group 1. And which period is it in? The answer is period 3. Well done for working through this topic. Pause the video, practice a few examples, and you'll be confident with atomic numbers, mass numbers, and electron shells.